Good morning. So in this video we are going to study about inventory control and recent trends in PPC from the subject Production Planning and Control. I am David, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Assistant Professor, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So first we can study about the concept inventory control. Inventory means it is a stock of an item or ideal resource held for future use. So simply inventory means stock, and also it can be defined it is a stock of physical assets having some economic value which can be used at a later time to meet expected or unexpected demand. The amount of material a company has in stock at a specific time is known as inventory, or in terms of money, it can be defined as the total capital investment overall the materials stocked in the company at any specific time, and also the items waiting to be purchased or sold are considered to be an inventory. Then we can study about the types of inventory. Raw material inventory, then second one work in process inventory, then third finished goods inventory, then spare parts inventory, then office stationery things, then need for inventories, why the inventory is required, why the stock is required. It is to safeguard against the uncertainties in price fluctuations, supply conditions, demand conditions, lead times, transport contingencies, etc. To reduce machine idle times by providing enough in process inventories at appropriate locations. Then, to take advantages of quantity discounts, economic of scale in transportation, etc. To decouple operations, that is, to make one operation supply independent of another supply. This helps in minimizing the impact of breakdowns, shortages, etc. on the performance of the downstream operations. Moreover, operations can be scheduled independent of each other if operations are decoupled. To reduce the material handling cost of semi-finished products by moving them in large quantities between operations. To reduce clerical cost associated with order preparation, order procurement, etc. Then you have to know about the functions of inventories. The basic purpose of inventories is to balance supply and demand. Inventory serves as a link between supply and demand, customer demand and finished goods and component availability, requirements for an operation and the output from the proceeding operation, parts and materials to begin production and suppliers of materials. Inventory cost. There are some cost values for inventory that we can study now. In order to control inventory appropriately, one has to consider all cost elements that are associated with the inventories. There are 4 such cost elements which do affect cost of inventory. Unit cost. It is actually the purchase price of the item under consideration. If unit cost is related with the purchase quantity, it is called as discount price. Next, procurement cost. This includes the cost of order preparation, tender placement, cost of postages, telephone cost, receiving cost, setup cost, etc. Next, stock out cost, shortage cost is the penalty incurred for being unable to meet the demand when it occurs. This cost does not depend on the source. chosen to replenish the stock, but is a function of number of units short and the time duration involved. The next, holding cost are incurred as a function of the quantity on hand and the time duration involved. Included in this cost are the real out of pocket costs such as insurance, tax, obsolescence, and warehouse rental, and other space charges and operating costs such as light, heat, maintenance, and security. Then ordering cost is the cost incurred when order is placed. It is composed of cost of time, materials, and any expense of communication in placing an order. Setup cost. It is a cost incurred when a machine's tooling or jigs fixtures must be changed to accommodate the production of a different part of the part or product. The total annual inventory cost is equal to cost of items. It is summation of cost of items, annual procurement cost, annual carrying cost, stock out cost. Thank you.